Northrop Grumman and the U.S. Air Force, USAF, have carried out the first flight of the newest bomber, namely the B-21 Raider, on November 10, 2023. Even though this very important and historic flight was kept secret, more than 30 spotters managed to find out about the plan. They gathered around the runway to finally be able to capture the historic moment. The B-21 bomber took off for the first time from Northrop Grumman's aircraft manufacturing facility in Palmdale, California to Edwards Air Force Base, also in California, at 6:51 local time. From several photos uploaded by photographers on X's social media, a number of analyses regarding the B-21 have emerged. The aviationist writes the B-21 bomber has an open secondary air inlet to increase airflow. This stealth bomber has one secondary air intake on top of each nacelle. On the B-2 Spirit bomber, the semi-hidden engine has a secondary entrance that opens during takeoff to provide sufficient airflow. While the B-2 had 2 doors per nacelle for its 4 engines, the B-21 appears to have only 2 doors total. It is possible that the air duct split into 2 from one opening to accommodate 2 engines. It is likely that the single entrance means that there is only one engine in each nacelle. It appears the B-21 was a twin-engine bomber. Other reviews are on the aviationist page. The B-21 has attracted the attention of a number of aerospace enthusiasts who want to find out more details about the sophistication of this new bomber. However, there are also those who say that the B-21 is nothing more than a facelift of the B-2 with several improvements to its technology and systems. The B-2, which first flew 34 years ago, namely on July 17, 1989, is however considered a higher achievement than the B-21, which was born in more modern times but whose design is still similar to the Spirit.